friends, today we're going to be doing another math lesson where we're going to be using manipulatives or math tools to solve subtraction word problems. Now, just like the other day, you don't have to have official math tools to do this. You can have any kinds of objects that are small and that you can count with. It could be cotton balls, it could be beans, it could be Legos, pencils. I'll let you be creative and come up with it. But you need to have 10 of them, and you need to have a paper and pencil, or if you have a whiteboard, you could use a whiteboard and a marker and eraser. So you should probably pause the video until you get those items, and then we'll be ready to get started. Okay. So the objective is, today, read with me, I will solve subtraction word problems, which is what we've been doing for the past couple of days, but today is going to be with bigger numbers. Okay. Always with our math lessons, we have special vocabulary. And remember that with subtraction problems, the special vocabulary is going to be different than with addition problems. And here are some of those magic words that when you see them, it helps you know that you are going to need to subtract. And the words are, says subtraction words, and the words are minus, take away, separate, left, difference, and compare. So these are those words that, like we had with addition, where when you see them you want to circle them or highlight them. You might say ding 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 when you see them. I want you to remember that I said this the other day, but the difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Remember, the sum is the answer to an addition problem, but for subtraction it's called the difference. We need to have our steps of what to do when we're solving these kinds of problems. Number 1, read the problem. Read the problem. Number 2, circle the key numbers. So you can circle them, or you could highlight them with like a yellow or orange crayon or a highlighter. And then number 3, number 3. Circle the key words. So those would be, if you see something like the word left or take away, then you would circle that or highlight it. Number 4, use objects or drawings to represent the problem. So in today's lesson we're going to be using objects. That's why I asked you to get your manipulatives. Okay, and then number 5 is write the equation. Okay, so the first couple problems I am going to do just with you watching, and then you're going to have a chance to do some. So today I decided to use some popsicle sticks to show you, demonstrate. These are the objects I'm going to use as math tools. I have 10 here. I'm not sure how many I'm going to need until I read the story. So I'm going to just set them down until I find out. Okay, so my first story says, Brittany has 9 rings. I hope you said ding, 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 because I am going to circle 9. Okay, she has 9 rings. Okay, she gives 7, ding, 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 rings to her friends. How many does she have left? Ding, ding, ding. I see the magic word left, so I'm going to circle it. So in looking back in the story, I see that it said that in the beginning, Brittany had 9 rings. So I'm going to get 9 of my popsicle sticks, and you can help me count to make sure I've got the right amount. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can see my 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I don't need them all. I only need 9 for this one. So I have my 9. And that is what I'm going to write in my first blank, as I'm going to write 9 because I know that that's how many she started with. Okay, 9. So then the story tells me that she was really nice and she gave some of them away. So I'm going to look here, and she gave away 7. So I'm going to write that. I'm going to write that in the second blank. I'm going to write 7 because that's how many went away. So I have my 9 here. So you can help me count as I put them down, the ones I don't need. So remember, she gave away 7, so we're going to put 7 of them down. You ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then this is all that I have left. So 9 minus 7 equals 1, 2. So that's what's going to be the difference or the answer to the subtraction problem. So I'm going to put 2 in the last blank. Okay, so we have to be careful. Remember, just like with addition, we have to be careful about putting numbers in the right places or we're going to get the wrong answer. We can't take 9 away from 2 and get 7. So we have to be careful that 9 is our big number, so that's what we're subtracting from. Okay, I'm going to do one more, and then you're going to get a chance to do some, okay? So I have my popsicle sticks down there. Okay, help me read this story. There are 8 apples. Ding, ding, ding. I'm going to circle 8. Tommy eats 2. So how many did he eat, friends? He ate 2. I'm going to circle 2. How many apples does he have now? I think that's kind of like left now. Like how many does he have now after some got eaten? So I'm going to circle now. Even though that wasn't on our list, I think that kind of helps me know that how many does he have left or how many does he have now seems sort of similar to me. Okay, so I'm thinking in my head, he has 8. That's how many apples at first. So I'm going to write 8 is my big number. I'm going to write in the first blank. That's what we're starting with. So I don't need all 10 of my popsicle sticks. I just need 8 of them. So I'm going to count out 8 of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to make sure that we have 8. You know what? It wouldn't be a bad idea to recount them, would it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, because if I took the wrong number of math tools, then that could throw off my answer too. Okay, so it says 8. Then let's look back at the story. What is another important number we see? Tommy ate 2 of them. Okay, so 2 of them. So I'm going to write that as my second number because we know that's how many went away, is 2. Here's the 2. Okay, so out of these 8 that I have, I need to put 2 of them down because they are gone away. They're in Tommy's stomach. Tommy was very hungry. 1, 2. So those are out of the way because we don't want them to confuse us by keeping them in our hand. Okay, so then we're going to count how many's left to see how many popsicle sticks are left because that would mean how many apples are left. Ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 left. So I'm going to put a 6. In the last blank, I put a 6. And 6 is the difference. That is the answer to the subtraction problem. Okay, I hope you have all your supplies you need. If you do not, then you can pause the video to go get them because this one you're going to be doing with me. I know you don't have the stories to circle or highlight, but you can, when I say them, you could still say ding, 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 or can show me that you would be circling or highlighting, or show whoever's sitting with you. Okay, all right, we're ready. This one says, Samantha uh-oh, Samantha has 10 balloons. Let me see. Did you do it? Did you tell me to do something? I hope so. Okay, I hope you told me to circle 10. Okay, 4, pop. Boy, that's disappointing when that happens. I hope you said ding, ding, ding. Did you say ding, ding, ding? Okay, I'm going to do the 4. How many does she have left? Did you say ding, ding, ding? Okay, we're going to circle left. Okay, friends, I'm going to give you a minute here. Now it says Samantha has 10. So I want you to think about what would you have to put in that first blank and how many manipulatives do you need? Think about that and get it out for me. How many do you need? What do you put in the first blank? Okay. I would say that you're going to put 10. I hope you put 10, and I hope you got 10 manipulatives, or whatever it is. Get 10 of them, okay? So then, I have my 10. Let me make sure I still have 10 if they didn't fall down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10. This is the balloons. Okay. So then, let's look back at the story. It says 4 pop. 4 pop, friends. So what do you think you need to put in the blank? I want you to write it down, and I want you to take away some of your manipulatives. Think about how many do you need to take away, and what do you need to write there. I hope you said 4. I'm saying 4 too. I'm going to put 4 here, and then I'm taking away 4 of mine. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those we're going to put somewhere else so we don't get confused. And think about, how do we know what the answer is or the difference is? Think about it. Look at yours. Count something. I hope you're counting what you have left. Are you counting how many you have left? That's what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you got 6. Okay, I'm going to put a 6 right there. That is the difference. Okay. All right, friends. We're going to do another one. This one, I'm not going to show you the answer until the very end. Are you ready to do it like that? I bet you are, especially since you did the lesson the other day, too. Okay, here we go. All right, here's the story. There are 10 cookies on a plate. Aaron eats 8 cookies. How many cookies are left? Okay, I'm going to say that again. There are 10 cookies on a plate. Ding, ding, ding. I'm going to circle that 10. Aaron eats 8 cookies. Ding, ding, ding. I'm going to circle the 8. How many cookies are left? Uh-oh, I realized I left my T off of the word left. Okay, there. Okay, I'm going to give you a few minutes to put your manipulatives out. You got to take some of them away. You got to count what's left. You got to write your equation. Okay, I'm going to give you a few minutes to do that. Maybe you need to pause the video to do it. But then I'm going to reveal the answer, what I think it should be. Okay, so remember to think about, you got to put them in the right places. Okay, so my first number I'm going to put is 10, because that's how many he started out with. And so I should have 10 manipulatives. Give me a thumbs up if you had 10 first. Okay, and then Aaron went ahead and ate them. He ate some of them, so I'm going to put that number second, 8. And I hope, give me a thumbs up if you took away 8 of them. You took away 8 of them. And then how many do you have left? Here, I'm going to do it with my popsicle sticks. Make sure that I have enough. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10, so I should get rid of 8 of these. I hope that's what you did. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that how many you had left? If you had 2 left and you put a 2 in that last blank, pat yourself on the back. You did a very good job. Okay. How about we try one more? You want to try one more? I have one more problem. Okay. All right, here we go. Nicole has 8 pencils. She broke 4. How many does she have left? Okay, we have our equation, our blanks for equation. So think about how many of your manipulatives do you need to start with? Get them out. I'm going to pull mine out, but I'm not going to show you how many I take out. Okay. You're doing it. I'm doing it too. I put them in my lap. You can't see. Okay, then it says she broke 4 of them. So think about how many are going to have to go away. How many are going to go away? Where are you going to write that number? And then, how many are left? How many does she still have? Think about what do you need to count at the end. Okay, if you need to pause this, pause this. Okay, I have them in my hand. I saw in the story, remember it said Nicole has 8 pencils. I gotta circle the 8. Okay, that's how many I had. Did you also get 8 of your manipulatives? I got 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8. You did too, I hope. Okay, and then the next part of the story said she broke 4. That's not good, is it? Good thing she had a lot. Okay, I circled 4. How many does she have left? Okay, we want to know. So, okay, I'm thinking in my head, she started out with 8. Did you say that? Did you say she had 8 at first? She broke how many? She broke 4. That's my second number. Pat yourself on the back if you did this much with me. Got it right. Okay, and then I got to get rid of 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you also get rid of 4 of yours? I hope so. And then how many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. If you got 4, you did an excellent job. We are going to put that at the bottom. And remember, the answer to a subtraction problem is the difference. It's not the sum. It is the difference. Okay, thank you for joining me.